Well, here we are, part 1, post-MOT. Let's look at the fail sheet first of all, so we can see 8 major defects, 1 minor defect and 2 advisories. We can transfer those up to the whiteboard. You can see we've got 9 jobs to do before it can go back for its retest. So looking underneath now at some of those jobs to do. Here's the first one. Here's that rear silencer, and you can see pretty rotten, so that's going to need to have a plate welded onto it. Looking in a bit further, I'll have a look at some of those brake lines now. I did take all the brake lines off, all the metal ones, so you can see just through there is the remains of one of the brake pipes. So it wouldn't come off with a spanner, I had to cut it off. All of them I have to cut off with pliers or with a hacksaw. But that'll be okay, and get that off with a socket. Some of the other ones though are a bit more tricky. So we're just going past the diff here, pretty rusty, but it is only a bit of surface rust. So looking up here, you can just about see one of those unions. There's a bit of a job to cut it off. I'm not sure how I'll get the new one back on, but I'll get there in the end. Okay, so while we're under, we might as well have a look at that rust in the floor. So there it is, there's the floor with that rust that's going to need to be cut out. Not very nice. We'll cut that out, weld in a new piece of metal, and that should be okay. Right, I'm going to come out now, hopefully, going past the jacking point on that sill. You can see up there, there's the fuel pump. So coming around, you can have a look at that insecure exhaust. So there's the rubber, and you can see it's failed quite badly. So that's going to need replacing as well. Right, we can stand up now and go and have a look at that supposed insecure battery. So there is the battery, and I think that is pretty well fixed in, but I will check it because I don't want to get another fail on that. So that's the battery fixing, and then finally we'll go down the end here, and here are the new brake lines alongside the old ones. So you can see some of these were pretty bad, so it's quite a good job that it failed on those. Got all these nice new copper ones to fit. So that's it, post MOT check. We're now going to move on and start doing some of these jobs.